what is actually going on right now. Whew, guys, like, I think every one of you in the comment section should basically type congratulations to me, because the Lord has been too merciful. God has been too grateful. You know, sometimes in this life, when you're facing ups and downs, you won't really get to see what the Lord is doing for you. This is not my usual content though, but I must come up here to share it with you guys, because we are more like a family right now. Aside from the fact that I teach you guys how to grow, how to do this on YouTube, at least you all should be knowing some little update about Princess Chiamaka, especially if you are a true fan, if you love me. So guys, I'm so happy. So actually, what happened is that this morning I came across something really beautiful. Today is actually Thursday, and this is past 4 already, April 10th. So I'm going to be posting this video as soon as I'm done recording it. There's no editing. So guys, what actually happened is that I came across this baby here. But you guys should not mind it. Like, it's actually looking torn now. Just neglect the fact that it's actually looking this way. It's because of where I actually stored it. So I came across this beautiful book here, and this book, I bought this book last year. I can still remember. You know, sometimes in life when you're doing something, you just don't know, but you just keep the date. I don't know if you've ever felt this way before. So I bought this particular book July 24th, 2024. That was when I bought this book. And I bought this book because I wanted to start up a YouTube channel. Yes. And back then, I didn't even know what I wanted to do on YouTube. I actually have this natural talent of drawing. So I said to myself that is what I'm going to be doing here on YouTube. So I literally bought this book. Too bad that it's torn already. I would have shown you guys 2 to 3 of my different drawings. So I actually bought this book, and I said I'm going to use it to draw and paint and post it here on YouTube. I did the first one. I posted it on TikTok. It performed so well. Like, it was beautiful. So, and I also decided that I'm going to be posting it on YouTube, and I posted it here and it didn't really do well. Yeah, so that was the reason why I bought this book. So after the 2 performance, I just saw that the thing was not doing well, and it's not something that I can do on YouTube. It requires money, because that day I spent 12,000 naira to buy poster color, to buy brush, I bought this book for 2.5. Yeah, I bought this book for 2.5. So like I literally spent a whole lot. I spent over like total, I spent more than 12 to 15,000 naira to actually get my tools ready, because I wanted to start up a YouTube channel. But when I saw that it was so taxing, you have to draw, you have to record yourself, you have to edit, you have to post. If your product finish, you have to go and buy another one. So I did it 3 times, and I said, I can't do this again. Like, I am not doing this. But guess what, guys? Along the line, I think like 3 days after, I said to myself, no, that I really need to do something else. That was when I started posting shorts. Yes, I started posting shorts, and all these things were happening on this channel, like this channel you all are watching me from. So I decided to start posting shorts, and before I even started posting that short, I told God that at least you know, back then I didn't know that you cannot get monetized on shorts with just your 4,000 watch hour, which is watch time. So I wrote it in my diary, and I told God that at least let me get monetized before December, because of the kind of result I was getting, right? So after like 6 days, I got to my over 1,000 subscriber, and along the line, under 2 months, I hit close to 6,000 subscribers. That should be around August. Yes. Then I decided to go ahead to monetize this my channel you all are watching me from. But that was when YouTube told me that, baby girl, you cannot monetize your channel yet. Why? Is because the watch time that I was celebrating is not counted. You know, for you to monetize on shorts, you need 10 million views in space of 3 months. But back then I didn't know. So I was just thinking that once I get the watch hour from shorts, that is all, since I have the subscribers already. So at that period in time, I wanted to give up on this my beautiful YouTube channel you all are watching me from today, because I cannot monetize. And all this while I was just struggling, posting 5 shorts in a day for me to be able to meet these beautiful requirements. But when YouTube told me that you cannot monetize, my spirits became down. Like, in fact, I quit. Like, I didn't post anything for like 4 days. Then after I came back again, that was when I came to a conclusion that I'm going to start posting long form content, and I'm going to be taking it really, really serious. So this book that I had actually initially dumped, that's why I can never get rid of this book, because I'm the kind of person that I'm intentional. Like, I like to keep some memories, some important memories. So that was when I brought back this book, and I said I'm going to be using this book to start writing my content, because I'm the kind of person that I'm camera shy. You don't mind the way I'm camera shy, like very, very shy on camera. So that was when I said I'm going to start posting long form content, and I'll be using this book. Since I'm no longer dread with it, I'll be jotting down my points. That is, once I talk more on camera, I'll look at my book. I don't know if you can understand that feel. So, but this is the main gist. I wrote it somewhere. I'm still trying to see. Too bad it has torn. And I also jotted down on my diary, my phone diary, my other phone diary. I wrote it down there, and I was begging God. I told God that at least, since I'm starting all over again, the month of August, it was close to September. So I told God that please, I want to at least hit this 4,000 watch hour before June, that is 2025, which is this 2025, and at least get monetized. And I also told God that please, I want to like try my best to reach, like, even if it's because back then I had 6,000, almost 6,000 subscribers already. So I told God that okay, please, I want to like get like maybe 10,000 subscribers at least before this my channel completes a year, and at least let me just get monetized and be seeing like maybe small money. But guys, bro, guess who got monetized just 2 months after making those prayer and preparation? December, I got monetized here on YouTube. Like, it was a shocker. I shocked my friends. That is some of my friends on TikTok. Cause when I told them that I wanted to start a YouTube channel, they all told me YouTube is hard. What are you going there to do? Come and continue having the fun here on TikTok. Don't go to YouTube, or you will regret. So I shocked all of them. I got monetized December, and February I got my first ever pay, which is what you guys are seeing here. I got 400 and something dollar, though the money was more than that, but YouTube minus 100 and something dollar for their taxes. And before before I know it, that same February, the upper week, YouTube paid me 1,000 plus. It was close to, like, YouTube paid me 1,000 plus dollar in dollar. Like, this is crazy. And the most shocking part of this whole thing is that currently I am on my 24,000 subscribers. I actually wanted to do this video when I get to 25k subscribers. I wanted to do more like a dedication video and a gratitude video. But I said to myself, no need of me waiting till that time. No need of me waiting. Let me come up here and share my journey, and also tell you guys that if you're out there, you're feeling like to give up on YouTube, do not give up. Oh. So you see that, congratulations, I need it right now. I know, yes, my channel is not yet where I want it to be. Sometimes I still get low views, sometimes I cry in silence. So if you don't know, this YouTube is humbling everybody. Just about 3 to 4 days ago, I was telling, I think two of my students that I don't know what's going on. I'm having low views despite what I'm doing. So this is just how YouTube is. And I haven't planned on going for break. I plan on going for like 1 week break on my channel. But when I thought about it, I saw that leaving your channel for too long, when you come back, it will just be like you're starting all over again. That was when I said to myself, no, I don't need that break now. Instead, I need to like try my best. Highest, I post today, tomorrow I won't post, next tomorrow I will post. So guys, like, this is a dream that I never believed could actually come so quick. Mind you, I was saying to myself and praying to God that I want to get more. I want to get monetized at least this 2025 by June time, and also maybe start any small thing to at least support my house, my husband, and all. Ah! But here I am today, celebrating my 24,000 strong subscriber. YouTube has been a blessing to my life. Is it talking about the kind of people YouTube has actually made me meet? Brand deals? Oh my God. or the kind of souls that have actually come to me in form of students that are now my friends, people that I can actually confide in, people that actually show me love back to back. So this is a big celebration, and I know that someday I will be able to celebrate it the way I want, like in a bigger way, because this is a shocking shocker. I am still surprised and I'm still shocked. This book is, there is no Princess Chiamaka YouTube story without this book. That is why I will keep this book. You all know this my first ever video here. That video is on this book. Like the first line, second line, third line, fifth line, every single thing is on this book. So this is a story for any upcoming YouTuber that wants to give up on his YouTube channel. Please don't give up. Don't give up. You can hear my story. You can hear my story. Don't give up. This is me trying to ginger you that is how YouTube is. Sometimes you get low views and sometimes you get high view. But now who give up? Now him lose, right? You get that statement, right? So do not give up on your channel. Feel free to like open another channel. From my story, you can hear that the first thing that I actually did there was drawing, right? As I saw that it's not working, despite it being my talent and my passion, I saw that it's not going to lead me anywhere. It was so taxing. I decided to stop. I switched to short, and I saw that I can't really make cool cash from it, because why am I burning my data? Like currently now on YouTube, every single day I spend, this one I'm not lying, I spend more than 4,000 naira on data every single day. Yes, though I know I have Zoom call, video calls with some of my students, but on daily basis relating to this YouTube, I spend more than 4,000 naira. I didn't even talk about the favor of getting students and then paying me, like to learn from me. Like this is a very big congratulations to Princess Chamaka family out there. And if you know that you love me, drop it in the comment section though, because it's like I'm talking too much. I'm all over the place. I'm so happy. This book, picking it up this morning, going through each page, like got me so emotional. And I said I must come and share it on my main channel. I don't know how you all is going to see this video, but this is me being grateful, and it's worth the congratulation, because don't play poor. It's not easy. It's not easy. God is wonderful. I think I'm talking too much right now, so I have to try my best to stop this video right now. If you watch to this extent, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop me a comment, and share. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Feel free to drop any comments in the comment section, okay? Bye-bye, guys. I love you all. Kiss, kiss. Bye, guys.